Yeah, money man, what you gonna do? Tell me what's the plan when I walk through.
This na the camera of the Tecno Spark 7. First off, if you want to watch the full review and unboxing of this phone, check the description section below for the link. The back camera na 3 16 megapixel cameras. I like the quality of the pictures from both cameras. I mean both the front and the back cameras. As for the back camera, my only problem be say e dey lose too much picture quality when you zoom. Well, na wetin we go expect from 16 megapixel camera na be that. The front camera dey take good pictures, and just like the back camera, zooming na problem, like father like son. The night mode of the camera makes sense. When I compare am with the AI mode, the night mode make pictures for dark clearer. The camera also get short video mode, when go allow you take short videos for TikTok and YouTube videos and automatically add effects based on your selections for the videos. Overall, my main problem with this phone camera na the zooming issue. But if you compare am with the Spark 7 camera, this one kill that one. Subscribe to my channel for more camera reviews.